been good at bikes.
Get some tricks.
Oh, fuck. Ah. Oh my god.
Do a wheelie.
This is retarded. But I love it. This is the shit I do. This is what I get off on. Right, I got
Do a tail whip.
Oh yeah? Yeah. Alright.
Jake was doing better.
Yeah, he was. I just don't want to bust ass. I gotta protect his face.
Oh, classy. This is some underground BMX shit.
The best part's when he's gonna break it.
Dude,
like,
for real.
shit.
No, the pole goes up to the ass.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah.
no stall.
That's what I'm saying, dude. No stall this motherfucker. I want to see some professionalism. Come on. Don't be honking at me. Don't be honking at me. Let's go, dude. Yeah! Ah! I'm taking that bitch off the curb. Let me see this.